Peeps, I join you again here in the man cave. I'm about to go in here and enjoy me a good old fat juicy steak. And I'm gonna make me a tropical mix to go with it. Add some of my world famous, should be world famous barbecue sauce, but it's a secret, family secret barbecue sauce. I was told the other day that this is not good because I don't have a fire going. So I'd like to point out to those of you who don't know, you don't want a fire to be going in your grill. That's not a good thing. This is perfect. Coals are white, red underneath. You don't want them black. You don't want them on fire. You want your coals to be white. And you will get a juicy outcome, just like this right here. I don't know what spices I'm using. That's the good stuff. All-purpose blend. I put a dab of that down there. Gotta be quick or my fire will build back up. The longer I have this open, the more oxygen is able to get inside, therefore causing the fire to build up. That's why once you get your fire where you want it, you're gonna close off your vents accordingly. That's the secret to a good barbecue. And of course, seasonings and sauce, of course. That was garlic salt, just in case you were wondering what I just put on there. I'm gonna do some miced or diced onions. Tad bit of pepper on there. And of course, I gotta do my Steak King seasoning. Competition blend. More of the good stuff. Don't be stingy with it. I'm gonna drop a few proper droppers of the world, should be world famous, if it wasn't a secret, barbecue sauce. Family secret. All right, shut her down. Cooking at a good temp. Vents are good. The way you want it. All right, temps got a little high, but it's time to get it off, so it don't really matter. Flip them over one more time. Oh yeah, that's what you want, baby. That's what you want. Beautiful. Here we are at the 2022 bar here at the Elam Estate, and I'm about to eat me a steak, but before I do, I'm gonna make me a beverage to go with it, and that is the tropical mix. I've made this on this channel before, but I'm gonna make it one more time. Haven't made one of these in a while, for the channel that is, so I'm gonna refresh you. A lot of you may not have seen the first video I made when I was making the tropical mix and the tropical sour and the tropical twist, because it was back when I first was starting this YouTube channel. Speaking of which, I started this channel just to keep family memories so we wouldn't, forget them or forget how things went as far as baby girl's first Easter and Brandon's first Christmas and stuff of that nature. But it's really evolved into something. You all have become part of the family, and I really appreciate all your support. I just wanted to touch on that before I get started on making this drink. And now that I'm monetized, which for those of you who don't know, that means I get paid to make these videos. I'm going to put more effort into my production. I'm going to use better equipment. As you can see, I've done slightly better on my lighting. My last video, the lighting was just horrific, but I got some kickback from you and others, and I've figured out a way to make that a little bit better, and I'm going to continue to strive to give you a better production in the future. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this drink going. So I can get my steak. I don't like a cold steak. Alright, got your glass. Got your ice. Alright. I'm gonna start off with some simple syrup. We're gonna do 1/4. Ice I do just shy of 1/4 for simple syrup. Alright. Now we're gonna get our juicy juice. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of juicy juice. It's up to you. You can do it with 1. Sometimes I'll do 1/2 ounce, sometimes I'll do 2 ounces, depending on how much I'm going to add the other ingredients. Either way, you're good on this drink. And then I'm going to add a sugar cube. I am not going to smash the cube. I'm just going to drop it in there. If I was going to smash it, I would have put it in there before I put the ice in there. I like my sugar dissolved. That way, the longer I drink the drink, the sweeter it gets towards the end. Just my preference. You can do it either way you want. I'm going to do 2 ounces of Hypnotic. It's a brand new bottle. I mean brand new. We're going to do 2 ounces of Grey Goose. If you're thinking this is a lot of vodka, it's really not. The Hypnotic is not that strong. I think it's only 13% alcohol. So you mainly get most of your bite out of the Grey Goose. Now we're going to do our cream of coconut. We're just going to do spinaroo like that. Nothing major. 4 to 5 drops of that. And then we're going to garnish it with our garnished cherries or cocktail cherries. I always get my cherries out with a toothpick. I don't like my cherries. I don't like to put my fingers in anything. I don't want to put my fingers in the ice. I don't want to put my fingers in the cherries. No matter how much you wash your hands, eventually it just develops a bad habit, and then you end up having finger tasting cherries, finger tasting ice, etc. Just going to drop that in there like that. And then we're going to take one slice of mango. I used to make these with a mango wheel, but this way, there's no cutting necessary. We just drop our mango on the side like that. Get your pre-sliced mangoes. Of course, you can find these at Walmart. It's a new touch I've added to the tropical mix. And that is it, peeps. The tropical mix. Tasty, delicious. And easy to make. Deuces.